Hello viewers, good day to you all. You're welcome to Elkana tutorial and my name is Elkana. Today we shall be looking at the LCM. Now, what is LCM? LCM simply means lowest common multiple. It simply means lowest common multiple, or it can also be referred as the least common multiple. Least common multiple. That is the full name of the LCM. Now, somebody may ask, why LCM? Why are we learning LCM? Now, one thing that you need to understand is this, just like the way I told us in one of our classes, that in mathematics, topics are connected together. The knowledge you have in two or more topics will help you to solve problems in the next topic. Even if you are not going to make use of all, there are some parts that you will need the knowledge you had in the previous topic. So, the essence of we talking about the LCM is because in order for us to solve problems effectively in our fractions, for example, if we are asked to add fractions, that is addition of fractions, more than one fractions, adding them together, like 2 or 3 fractions, adding them together. The only way you can add them successfully is when you have the knowledge of LCM. Without the knowledge of LCM, you will not be able to solve these problems effectively. So that is the essence of we talking about the LCM. For example, if you are asked to add, let's say 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. The only way you can add this problem successfully is when you know the LCM of 2 and 3. So LCM is very important in order for us to solve problem that has to do with a fraction, especially addition of a fraction or subtraction of a fractions. So we need the knowledge of LCM. Now, we need the knowledge of LCM to solve problems easily. So, how do we solve problem that has to do with LCM? But before that, what is LCM? That is the definition of LCM. LCM of 2 or more numbers simply means the number that is exactly divisible by all of them. The LCM of 2 or more numbers simply means the number that is exactly divisible by all of them. For example, the LCM of let's say 9 and 12. 9 and 12. The LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Is 36. Now, 36 is exactly divisible by 9 and 12. That is what we simply mean. For example, 36 divided by 9. We are going to have 4. And therefore, 36 divided by 12, we are going to have 3. So we said that LCM simply means the number that is exactly, which is the number we are talking about in this 36, the number that is exactly divisible by all of them, which is 9 and 12. So once we get this number, it simply means the LCM of 9 and 2. So how do we now, get this number? How do we calculate it? That will now lead us to the method of solving LCM. Method of solving LCM. Now, for example, we have two methods of solving LCM. We have the prime factorization method, the prime factorization method, and then we also have the division method. We also have the division method. However, the division method is the most commonly used method in looking for the LCM of any given numbers. So even in our course, because of this class, we are going to be making use of the division method to simplify or to solve problem that has to do with the LCM of two or more numbers. So let's move to this. Find the LCM of 9 and 12. The LCM of 9 and 12. That's a solution. We are solving question 1, which is this one. LCM of 9 and 12. The LCM of 9 and 12, like as I told us, we are going to be using the division method. We can do something like this, and then rule line, and then put 9 here, and put 12 here. And then we are going to, first of all, divide 9 by 2. We are going to check if 9 is divisible by 2 or 12 is divisible by 2. So we are going to apply, as you can see, we cannot divide 9 without any remainder. So we'll apply 2 here. If we divide 9 by 2, we are going to have remainder. So we'll bring the 9 down and then divide 12 by 2, we are going to have 6. Then we'll rule another line. Then we bring 6 can still be divisible by 2, so we still put 2 here, and then we bring this 9 down, and we have 3 here, and then we rule another line. 9 cannot be 9 is not divisible by 2, and then 3 is not divisible by 2. So we look for the number that can divide 3 and 9. So 3 can go. So 3 divided 9, we are going to have 3. And when you divide this, we are going to have 1. Then we continue. Now, the next thing is, we look for a number that can divide 3. So 3 divide this, we are going to have 1. So once you get to 1, you stop. Then you make use of these ones. You multiply them. You multiply these factors of these numbers. So by doing this, we are going to have something like this. Therefore, LCM of 9 and 12 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is equals to 2 times 2 give us 4. So 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. So 12 times 3 is going to give us 36. So this is the LCM of 9 and 12. So please, you can try this. And then put the answer in the comment section. And then I'm going to look at it and give you feedback. So that is all for today. Please, if you have not followed my page, please like, comment, and share this video so that it can get to more people. Follow me for more of this kind of creation. We are going to teach more of this in our next class. Have a lovely day. Bye.